Windows with peeling exterior caulk are basically an open invitation for water to sneak inside your walls and cause serious damage. Okay, so if you notice your window caulk is peeling, the first thing you gotta do is get it off, like scrape it clean with a putty knife or something similar. Don't just slap new caulk over old stuff, because it won't stick right and water will still find its way in. Make sure the surface is dry and clean before you start sealing again. Moisture is the enemy here. Use a high-quality exterior silicone or latex caulk meant for windows because they flex with temperature changes and last longer. When you apply the caulk, smooth it out with your finger or a caulk tool to fill every crack and gap properly. Try to work on a dry day with moderate temperatures so the caulk cures well and doesn't peel off again. Keep an eye on your caulk every year or so, especially after winter, because weather can mess with it over time. And if you're not feeling super confident about doing this yourself, calling a pro who knows what they're doing is totally worth it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window caulking is ignoring peeling or cracked caulk until water actually starts leaking in, which can lead to mold and wood rot. Fix that by checking your windows regularly and replacing bad caulk as soon as you see problems. Another common issue is using the wrong type of caulk. Some folks grab interior stuff or paintable latex for outside jobs, but exterior silicone is what you really need so the seal holds up through rain, heat, and cold. Lastly, rushing the job without cleaning the old caulk off or applying it on a damp surface causes peeling fast. Always prep surfaces properly and wait for everything to dry before sealing. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who specialize in home repairs like window sealing and exterior maintenance. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from real clients looking to fix their homes right without the hassle of endless searching or guessing.